Hi everyone, my name is Asidia and this is my video presentation. Firstly, I'm going to talk about final essay, and my topic is illegal immigration a risk. I choose this topic because I think that illegal immigration is an issue or is a problem that affecting many countries around the world. It represents a huge problem for human development because this socioeconomic phenomenon exposes millions of people, both immigrants themselves and their families, to a denigration of themselves as humans, since their rights are constantly being crept, and in a significant percentage of cases they become victims of exploitation and slavery. Anyway, my thesis is everybody always deserves a better life. Most of the time, people are condemned to stay in the arbitrary place they are born. First, it is necessary to talk about how illegal immigration affects workers. The problem is that illegal immigration threatens workers. This happens because this kind of immigration, since it doesn't abide to the law, lowers the wage of low-skilled workers that compete with those immigrants. On the other hand, illegal immigration also poses a threat to democracy in countries. If there are workers affected negatively by illegal immigration, these workers will vote for anyone that preserves these interests. In fact, there is nothing wrong with this in a normal, balanced democracy. Nevertheless, illegal immigration breaks this balance. This is exactly what happened with Donald Trump in the US, effectively posing a threat to democratic stability in that country. And then the third issue that I talk in the final essay is the illegal immigration poses a serious risk to citizens. For example, illegal immigrants don't have labor laws to protect them, and if they ever get fired, it is very likely there will be very few opportunities for them. As a consequence, illegal immigrants shouldn't be let into a country and stay as such because of the bad effects their legality. Okay, the difference between paragraph and essay. A paragraph focuses on one topic. This topic is introduced with the first sentences in the paragraph, and the following sentences provide supporting details about the topic. But the essay is usually composed of multiple paragraphs and can focus on much larger topic than an individual paragraph can. My overall experience with the essay. For me, it was not so complicated to do the final essay because it is the same like when you do a Spanish essay, but just using English. The structure is similar, but it took me a long time to imagine all the topics that I want to come across in this essay, so that my ideas will be fully reflected in this one. I just hope that my opinion has been quite clear about what I think about this topic. Okay, my personal story. Lake Placid, New York in the winter. Okay, about my personal story, I was last winter in Lake Placid, New York, where I had a lot of fun with my family that lives there. I learned to ski, ride a sled. I was working in a cafeteria too, and I took many walks in the snowy forest of the Adirondacks. Okay, on the other hand, in the summer I was close to Canada, specifically in the Niagara Falls. This experience was amazing because I got on one of the boats and I sailed through the waterfalls. Then I got on a tourist train that showed me all the wonderful landscapes in this place. It was great to even be at the hotel because this one had everything. The food was spectacular and I swam a lot in the pool too. And yes, thank you.